Hey PlayStation blog, welcome to the PlayStation Vita Reviews program. Over the last 15 years, PlayStation has delivered the best in immersive breakthrough gaming entertainment. Our goal is to create unparalleled gameplay experiences that challenge gamers while surpassing even the highest customer expectations. PlayStation Vita delivers the most insane handheld gaming experience ever, which you will shortly get to see as you get an early look here at the US version. PlayStation Vita enables a revolutionary combination of rich gaming and social connectivity within a real-world context, and we hope to transform every aspect of a user's daily life into an entertainment experience. The biggest and best handheld games will be on PlayStation Vita, all of which were built from the ground up from the best development teams in the industry. We're launching with the most incredible day one lineup that has ever been seen at a new PlayStation platform launch, with more than 20 games available on day one and 70 more in the development pipeline. As we approach the upcoming launch in the US, PlayStation Vita is positioned to break the traditional boundaries of portable gaming and entertainment by offering all of the interface, controls, and social connectivity that gamers have been dreaming about, which deliver unsurpassed entertainment and completely new ways to play. You'll see that it really is the case that with PS Vita, you will never stop playing. We're really looking forward to having you try out PS Vita for yourselves. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to check it out, and we're very much looking forward to hearing what you think. Thanks a lot.
So we created PlayStation Vita under the auspices of new ways to play. And there's a variety of new ways to engage with content that's really not available on any other tablet or mobile device. Your PlayStation Vita device features the following: a 5-inch 960 by 544 resolution OLED multi-touch screen, extremely high resolution, you'll notice when you play the games. A multi-touch rear touchpad. This was designed really to get your fingers out of the way so that you can play your games in kind of the full brilliance. The game card, memory card, and SIM card slots. Now the game card and the memory card slots clearly you're going to want to access constantly. The SIM card slot you won't need to, and really we'd recommend you don't touch. That's built into the 3G units, you won't need to access that at all, but know that it is included here. Front and rear cameras, built-in stereo speakers, a built-in microphone, 6-axis motion sensing system, a very light dimensional footprint, 3-axis electronic compass, Bluetooth support, which is 2.1 plus EDR, and 3G support, which as we'll see later, is really important for how you play the device. PlayStation Vita Wi-Fi systems available for $249.99, and the 3G Wi-Fi systems available for $299.99. So we designed PlayStation Vita game distribution in a way to really access against the type of consumer that we knew would be coming to the market. And that was that we knew there was going to be a very hefty retail distribution type consumer that likes physical goods. But as we go along, we're going to see a very significant digital play for this device, and it's perfectly suited for those who enjoy digital downloads. So there's two ways you can purchase content. The first way, you can go to any participating retailer and purchase a PlayStation Vita game card. The second way is to directly download games onto your PlayStation Vita from the PlayStation Store. Pricing for all software will range between $9.99 and $49.99 MSRP. First-party software titles will be available on the same day via PlayStation Vita game cards at retail stores and digitally via the PlayStation Network. So we'll be adding applications to Vita to add to the experience. Our goal has always been to ensure we launch apps that are unique to the PlayStation Vita platform and really matter to our core consumer. So one of the things we've really taken note of on the PlayStation 3 platform is the Netflix experience. You'll be able to access your Netflix content, and it really adds kind of a unique experience because the PlayStation Vita screen is so brilliant that you're able to see movies in a really whole new way on a handheld device. PlayStation Vita is able to work seamlessly with your PlayStation 3 in 3 ways. First is cross-platform gameplay, and this is with compatible titles, allows you to join in multiplayer games with friends, whether they're on PlayStation 3 or PlayStation Vita. And there's a number of games that will be using this element. There's cross-platform game saves. You start a game at home, and you're like, you know what, I've got to go to work or to school. Finish it on your PlayStation 3, you pause the action, you continue on your PlayStation Vita without missing a beat. And the third is remote play. So when you're connected to Wi-Fi, it allows you to control the features of your PlayStation 3 from your PlayStation Vita anywhere in the world, and that includes videos, movies, photos, and select games. PlayStation Vita bridges the gap between social networking and mobile gaming by introducing 3G network access. It'll give you the ultimate freedom to stay connected with your world in real time, providing convenience and real constant connection to your gaming community. So we've partnered with AT&T as the exclusive wireless carrier for the 3G-enabled PlayStation Vita, allowing you to stay connected to the PlayStation ecosystem without having to track down a Wi-Fi hotspot or wait until you return home to your living room. I think one of the realizations that we had when we were using Wi-Fi is that while it's fantastic, it doesn't complete your total experience. You leave your home or you leave the Wi-Fi access point, and you're without a real strong connection to your community, and 3G provides that. You can now game with real-time connection and immediately socialize with your gaming community through news feeds and multiplayer game sessions. You can also stay up to date with continuous live area scores and game rankings, compete for in-game achievements, engage in PlayStation Vita to PlayStation 3 gameplay, cross-game text messaging with Party, and have access to software updates, all while on the go. And that's so important, on the go. You'll also be able to log into the PlayStation Store with the 3G network, where you can download a host of new content and add-ons for some of your favorite titles. And with the addition of the 3G connection, you'll also enjoy access to a variety of the most popular social apps, such as Facebook, Twitter, Foursquare, Skype, Flickr, each specifically designed for PlayStation Vita. And one thing that we do want to note is that we're going to give away a game to everyone who activates the 3G service, and that's available as a download from the PlayStation Network. PlayStation Vita's user interface is simple and intuitive. Touch interactions are used to access the applications. And some of the system applications you'll find on your PlayStation Vita system include Welcome Park. It's an app that allows users to learn the basic ways to operate PlayStation Vita's new ways to play. So one of the real critical elements of really any mobile or tablet device is the web browser, and we understood that. And that's why we designed the Vita web browser to be extremely engaging. And you start with the fact that it's HTML5 support as kind of its basic architecture. With the web browser, you can use Wi-Fi or 3G to enjoy the internet really anywhere you are. Surf the net, browse your favorite web pages, and type using a very intuitive touchscreen keyboard. So the PlayStation Vita Content Manager allows you to seamlessly transfer and back up your games, your videos, your music, and more to your computer or your PS3. This is a really important area, and one that we felt was best facilitated through a built-in mini driver on the PlayStation Vita that works seamlessly with both your Mac and your PC. So the Friends application allows you to display, manage, and connect with your PlayStation Network friends. And in your profile, you can share information about yourself. Choose an avatar that represents you best, add your friends, let the world see your gaming and trophy stats, which we all know is very important. The friends list will allow you to search friends or add new ones. Click on a friend's profile to see what game they're playing on either PlayStation Vita or PlayStation 3. You can take a look at what you've played together recently or compare your trophy collections, which again is very important. You can also see your friends' recent activity, view their near profile, and even check out if they've been to any chat parties. The music player on PlayStation Vita supports MP3, MP4, and WAV files, features smart playlists, and can be played as background music when you're playing games, watching videos, or even surfing the web. And that's just a really fun way to continue to engage with music. So Near is included as an app on PlayStation Vita, and this is one of the most critical apps that we've included, and it's so important that we really encourage everyone to use it, and it's available via 3G and via Wi-Fi. So some of the things you can do with it, you can use Near to receive, rate, browse game titles recently played in your vicinity using those location-based services. You can also connect with nearby users by dropping gifts that can be used in various games. This is really important, that digital gifting and those treasure hunts are really important. You can stay connected to all of your PlayStation Network friends, make new ones by sharing information about your location using Near, and you tap the update button to find new people based on your location, challenge them to games, play cooperatively, or really kind of play competitively depending on the game. You can even send and receive new levels, unlocks, in-game items to enhance the way you play. Everywhere you go will hold new surprises. Near is a very important part of their overall PlayStation Vita ecosystem. So enter Party. It allows for cross-game voice and text chat for up to 8 players on PlayStation Vita. Speak with your friends anytime you like with Party, no matter what they're doing. Tell them about the game you're playing, what you're looking at online, or hatch plans in multiplayer matches. Join an existing party, see what everyone else is up to, or maybe create your own. PlayStation Vita has 2 identical cameras, one on the front and one on the back, and it allows for what we call new ways to play, really augmented reality gaming, which transports your world into the game. And using the Content Manager, you can load a variety of real well-known file formats from your computer directly onto your PlayStation Vita. And you'll access those files directly here on your Photos app. So we noted earlier how important the digital consumer is. and the PlayStation Network is a big part of that. And underneath the PlayStation Network, the PlayStation Store is critical. So the PlayStation Store, noted here on this app, on PlayStation Vita, will sell PlayStation Vita games, PSP games, and movies. It allows you to rate and comment on these items, as well as recommend related products for you. The group messaging application allows you to share texts and photos on the PlayStation Network with up to 3 friends. With the Trophies application, you can easily sync your PlayStation 3 trophies with your PlayStation Vita trophies. PlayStation Vita games will support trophies so you can show your friends what you've achieved in all of the great games on PlayStation Vita and on your PlayStation 3. You can also click on one of your friends' profiles to view and compare stats. PlayStation Vita can display stunning videos and movies via that 5-inch OLED screen. You can keep all of your favorite high-resolution movies and videos on hand via a memory card. The live area will keep you up to date with related news, allow you to quickly swipe between up to 6 apps, as you can see here, and even offer help if you get stuck. Simply tap the start gate in the middle, and it'll allow you to access your content immediately. Tap the PlayStation button here to exit out. So the design of PlayStation Vita has been a 3.5-year labor of love, and we can tell you that everything that's coming out of PlayStation Vita now, all the goodwill, all the great media coverage, really makes us all very happy because we do believe this is the best handheld device ever created. If you look at the gaming experience of what's available now and what's going to come, I think the gamer is going to be so pleased and so happy that a handheld gaming device actually speaks to them. We're very, very excited about where PlayStation Vita is, what's coming, and really what kind of gaming content is possible. I think we're going to see some things that we've never seen before in handheld gaming. And that's a real cause for excitement, I think, for a lot of our core gamers. So looking forward to allowing you all to play this. PlayStation Vita is going to have a great launch, and thanks for your support.